What's up, guys? Welcome back to Kentucky Ridge Outdoors. It's feeling great being back on YouTube finally after 3 weeks or something like that. I just filmed this fishing and rain video. I forgot to film intro for, so this is it. Spoiler alert, I caught 3 fish. The last one is ginormous, so stay tuned till the end. Oh, there he is right there. He's right there, son. That's a nice one. I guess this one is about 2 pounds. I'm just gonna go ahead and put him back. Just like that, and he's free to go. There's another one right there. I'm just gonna skim him across the water. All right, I'm just gonna go ahead and throw him back.
Oh, that's a big one right there. That is a huge bass. That is a nice bass, son. That's a nice fish right there. I don't know how much y'all seen of that, but that was a good bite he put up. He had some really good color, especially right there.
Alright guys, great day fishing. I want to talk pretty loud because the rain is coming down on this roof. I'm just great to be back on YouTube again. And here, right here, everything you just saw was filming this GoPro. Just a second, I'm still new to this GoPro stuff. Hope y'all enjoyed that video, and see you next time on Kentucky Ridge Outdoors. See you later.